like to give a very special thanks to Mattel for sending us the Monster High Freak Du Chic Draculaura as a gift for free. What's up, doll collectors, hobbyists, fabsome besties? I'm Toya, an adult doll collector. Welcome to my miniverse. Today, we are taking a look at Monster High Freak Du Chic Draculaura. Hold up, Toya. Didn't you say you were a Cleo only collector? Yes, I did say that. But you see, what happened was Mattel sent me this pretty Draculaura. Then I got curious about the Skulltimate Secrets Fearidescent Draculaura, which made me realize how much I love a curvy Draculaura. And Claude and Draculaura are like a whole vibe. And Abbey is also a curvy? So, yeah. But I still very much consider myself a Cleo-only collector. From Mattel Creations, here is Freak Du Chic Draculaura. At Mattel Creations, this doll has a suggested retail price of $75. She comes upside down in the box, and it has this cool little batwing cover that makes a pretty nice backdrop. Step right up, see the amazing Draculaura! The daring acrobat. Loving the box art. Here's the back of the box, and here's the other side. Underneath it says, being the latest act in the Freak Du Chic makes me feel like a total scare devil. I love sitting on the trapeze, looking down at the crowd before dramatically swinging forward and spinning upside down in the air. Let's just talk about the shoes. They are a gold color, they lace up, or rather they look like they lace up because they are, plastic. Then we have some pink flags around the bottom. They are molded and painted. In the back, there are little sculpted hands that hang on to the bar. Kinda love that idea. The bar is removable. It is gold with a pink ribbon with little bats on the ends. She has clown-inspired makeup, little hearts on her cheeks, black lip liner, and she does have rooted eyelashes. She wears a pink metallic headpiece with bat ears because she is an acrobat. She has a batwing cape with 2 layers of a sheer fabric, gold metallic earrings, a tulle collar that is a separate piece and removable. She wears a gold metallic ribbon. I removed the cape, and I do see a little bit of staining on the neck from the black ribbon, but this is just my experience and yours could be different. She wears a black and gold leotard with pink ruffles around the legs and ribbon straps. With shredded fabric in the back, it kind of looks like feathers. She wears a pink catsuit underneath. It has a little sparkle to it, tulle at the bottom of the sleeves, and it velcros in the back. And her hands are black with sculpted stitching to look like gloves. This doll has the classic Monster High look and is fully articulated, has movement at the neck, shoulder, elbow, wrist, hip, and knee. She has long black and pink hair styled into long curls. And she comes with a doll stand. Ooh, I would have loved to have seen a doll stand that would allow us to display her outside of the box hanging from the trapeze. But we do get Count Fabulous all dressed up. Speaking of dressing up, here is Monster Ball Draculaura. Love the box art! I bought this doll for $29.99. She's pink. I don't know if you know this, but I kinda love pink, but not tinsel. And she has quite a bit of it in her hair. Her hair is black and pink with tinsel. The top is pulled up, she has bangs and a hair bow. She wears pink heart earrings that are removable. She has a translucent gray necklace, wears a black layered dress with pink foiling and tulle. There's a pink ribbon at the waist and a large pink satin bow in the back. On the back, we can see the hem on the tail ends of the bow. She wears pink stockings that are a separate piece and have an elastic waistband. Pink shoes with black painted hearts. She has a heart purse that can open, a pink bracelet, a black rose corsage. We get a tube of lipstick. The top is removable. A tray of chocolate-covered strawberries. A chocolate fountain with a little skullette on the top. That's kind of cute. And a rose bouquet with black roses, and this little bow at the bottom is removable. And we get a poster of all the ghouls. I gotta say, I'm definitely a curvy Draculaura fan. She has the added chest articulation, but I am completely torn because I am a Cleo only collector. But maybe there's room for one Draculaura on the shelf and just give all the fashion to her. Already mixing and matching those stockings. And fashion packs will be nice. Just throwing that out there. But Skulltimate Secrets does give us a few more fashion items. This one is from the Fearidescent collection. We get a coffin with a door and lockers on the side. Let's open it to reveal the doll. There is a printed backdrop on one side with a mirror that says "Slay all day." Then there is an image of personal items underneath. Inside the coffin, we find the Draculaura doll. With black and light pink hair, it's mainly pink. She has bangs cut in the front, wears glitter eyeshadow, and glitter lipstick. But remember, we already have one Draculaura on the shelf, so we're just here for the clothes. Sorry, little Draculaura, but sashay away. Here is my creepover party Draculaura, wearing a black top with sheer sleeves, a spiderweb print on the chest, a Fearidescent pink skirt, and ornate pink ombre boots. We get a silver key that we can put in water to reveal a color to tell us which locker we should open first. And it's the top locker. I take out the bag inside and open it to reveal an outfit, which is a pink top with a black heart and a pink spiderweb skirt with an elastic waistband and a black ribbon bow. There's a faux fur stole with pink hearts on one side and a black and pink print on the other, giving us more items to mix and match. We have another silver key. It's light pink, so let's go ahead and open this little locker to get more accessories. And this is another key. Okay, and shoes. We have pink jelly shoes with a little bit of glitter and black soles. A skullette key ring and another silver coated key. So we can open the next locker and get... what do we have this time? Another key! And earmuffs with bat wings. We have a white plastic collar and bat earrings. And yes, she can wear the earrings with the earmuffs. The last key doesn't need any water. And inside the bag, we find a black skullette compact with a faux mirror, just like the one in the backdrop. And a tube of lip gloss, which we can also see in the backdrop. We have ice cream, or should I say ice cream, and a pink coffin purse that opens. I love all the pink. However, I would be perfectly happy if some of the keys were replaced with minis. Just saying. Confession, I don't keep up with the show now. But back in the day, I was watching the shows and the movies, and Claude and Draculaura were adorable. So I picked up this G3 Claude Wolf, who is a positive werewolf/human. He comes with his must-have eye coffin and granola bar, a water bottle, and another snack. His pet, Roxina, sorry if I'm saying that wrong, it kind of looks like a stone gargoyle. He has large wolf ears. One ear has 2 earrings. He has curly rooted hair on top, molded sides, a painted nose, Wears a varsity jacket with faux leather sleeves, printed patches, pockets, and buttons, trimmed with a pink and white ribbon. He wears a sleeveless top underneath, wears gray jeans with printed distressed details. The jacket, the shirt, and the pants are all separate pieces, and he has purple and white shoes. Claude comes with a black duffel bag with a gold paw charm and has a pair of orange sunglasses. This doll is fully articulated with movement at the head, shoulder, elbow, wrist, hip, knee, and ankle. There is no chest articulation, but there is a jersey. Does Abbey have chest articulation? I picked Abbey and Claude up at Target for $24.99 each. Abbey Bominable is an extra chill yeti with long blue and lavender hair, I think, with tinsel. I removed most of the tinsel and I'm gonna just pull the front of her hair behind her ears and secure it in the back. She has pointy ears, purple earrings. On the other side, there's a little variation. She has horns, freckles, a purple nose, and painted fangs. She wears a white shirt with a snowflake graphic, purple sheer sleeves with faux fur on the ends. She has a plastic icy fanny pack with a charm hanging on the side, purple pants with a foil print. The pants are split at the bottom. She has purple and blue shoes, sculpted fur on her ankles and wrist. She can move at the head, shoulder, elbow, wrist. What about chest articulation? Yes, she has chest articulation, can move at the hip, bend at the knee. She comes with a purple faux fur stole with tinsel, a pet named Tundra, a snowflake backpack that can open, blue sunglasses, an ice cream cell phone, a drink, and 2 treats. I don't know G3 backstories and storylines, but I love Abbey, and we'll probably be adding her to the shelf as well. And I better stop, because that shelf is getting pretty full. Thank you for joining us while we took a look at a few Monster High dolls. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff, the Frog Vlog, and Bella of MyFroggyStuff. And we will see you next time.